You still there? Are you guys having fun? 18? 18? Fleet! Let's do. Gising mo lahat. Good. Musta kayo lahat? You know, sobrang namiss ko yung performance sa Vincent. It's been a while. Halos 1 year na rin nata hindi ko siya na-perform. I just want to say thank you so much for coming here. And you know, kilala niyo naman ako. I mean like, sa mga hindi pa lang kilala sa akin, ako nga pala si Billy. So, ayun po. Ayan. Sa lahat ng 18 dito, Fleet. Maraming salamat na nanahan ko kayo. Thank you so much. Anyway, promote ko lang pala. Wala kaming Oceania Tour. Sana napanood ninyo. Sama ko ng brothers ko, SB19. And siyempre, si Stella yung magsasabi ng details namin ito. Abangan nyo ng performance si Stella. So, hindi ko masyado pinapatugal yung performance ko. A little bit story. Meron akong ginawang kanta. It's with my, friends ko. We've been in the studio, lagi kami nag-work. So, doon ko sila nakilala, doon ko sila na, doon talaga kami nag-click, yung vibe namin. So, yeah, we decided to, make a song. It's called Drop Me. You know the song? Let's do it.
Let's party some more.
Let's
Everybody,
go.
come on, where's your energy? When I say hip hop, you say hooray, hip hip. What?